Buying barefoot shoes. Barefoot shoes are designed to mimic natural foot movements, providing a wide toe box, thin sole, and flexible design. They promote better posture, foot strength, and a natural gait. Finding the right barefoot shoes requires considering brand options, fit, and where to buy them. 1. Where to buy barefoot shoes. International brands. Available online with shipping. Vivo Barefoot offers a wide range of minimalist shoes for casual, athletic, and outdoor use. Bilenka, known for stylish and functional barefoot shoes with a flexible sole. Zero Shoes specializes in ultra-lightweight barefoot footwear for running and daily wear. Lems Shoes features durable, foot-shaped shoes with a minimalist sole. Merrell Vapor Glove, a good choice for those transitioning to barefoot running. Local and online retailers. Some e-commerce platforms sell imported barefoot shoes and may offer cash on delivery or easy returns. Specialty shoe stores occasionally carry minimalist footwear options. Some fitness and outdoor gear stores may have trail-style barefoot shoes available. 2. Things to consider before buying. Correct sizing. Barefoot shoe brands often have unique sizing charts, so measure your foot length and check the brand's guidelines. Toe box width. A true barefoot shoe should allow toes to spread naturally without restriction. Sole thickness. Some shoes have ultra-thin soles, 2 to 6 millimeters, for maximum ground feel, while others offer slightly more protection. Activity. Type. Choose shoes based on use, casual walking, running, hiking, or office wear. Shipping and customs. If ordering internationally, check for import duties and shipping fees before purchasing. 3. Benefits of barefoot shoes. Encourage natural movement, strengthen foot muscles, and improve balance. Improve posture and gait. Reduce reliance on artificial arch support. Better toe alignment. Wide toe box prevents bunions and foot pain. Lightweight and flexible. Feels like walking barefoot, but with protection. 4. Are barefoot shoes worth it? Yes, if you want to improve foot strength, posture, and overall comfort. Yes, if you prefer a natural and unrestricted walking or running experience. No, if you need structured support due to medical conditions. Barefoot shoes are a great investment for foot health, but choosing the right size, style, and brand is essential. Whether buying locally or online, make sure to check sizing charts, read reviews, and start with a gradual transition to avoid discomfort.